16th, 2022. I got a call from a guy I've worked for him a bunch of different times, and it said his AC's not working. I worked for this guy before a bunch of times doing all kinds of stuff, so we'll go by there and see what's going on with it. I know he's got a lot of old equipment there. He's got a lot of first company units, and I believe they're Goodman condensers outside. I think I've changed capacitors on them and stuff in the past. We'll go by there and see what's going on with it. Beautiful day. Beautiful time of year right now. Probably about 70 degrees out. Perfect. Not humid or nothing. It's great weather. We're gonna take Miss Molly for a walk later. Yeah, you love walking, Miss Molly. Yeah? She gets all excited when I say walking. You wanna go for a walk? I know you love walking, Miss Molly. You love walking. She gets all excited, running, doing flipping circles in the house. Yeah, I know you do. Yeah. Alright, so it looks like his first floor unit's all iced up from him running it. So I'm gonna shut it off. Gotta shut it off. I can come back on that one tomorrow. Gotta be 24 hours. It's all nice. He's gonna check. He wants me to check this one. This one's a second floor one. He says this one's not running. These gotta be 22 units. Yeah, 22. Let's see if it even starts. Time delay. This is the second floor, right?
This is second floor, yes.
Busy. How about you?
Not bad. It comes down with the workers a little bit. Ever since they came out of COVID, it's been nothing but pain in the ass.
Really?
Oh, God. It even, I don't know, I'd say irritating.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's low 45. You want to come over here?
Yeah.
See, 61, we're a little low there, and the 61, 22, and the 45, that's too high for Soupy. We're going to put a little gas in it, bring it down. But nothing crazy, not like the other one that iced up. Wouldn't hurt every so often to hit these with the garden hose, you know. The foils, the outside. The backs usually get pretty bad. The back usually gets pretty bad. Juice. He's a real hummer. Really?
Yeah.
Just fan on, and put the cooling off, and then that fan inside will run and help it de-ice inside.
Now I know what the hell that's setting. I don't understand setting
pressure's at 71 now. See how it's higher?
Yeah.
Superheat's good at 8, 8, 9 will be fine. Because they really don't have a lot of load today. It's not really cold. Not really hot. Superheat's a little, subcool's a little high, but that's good. We'll leave it right there. You can feel the heat coming out the top here.
Yeah.
You feel that?
Yeah.
That's what you want to see. Then that pipe's going to start sweating in the back there. That big pipe. That's why it's covered. It's going to start sweating. So at 72, right? We said the pressure's 72. 72, it's 42 degrees. So it's not going to ice at 42. But if it gets down to 7 degrees, it'll ice. That's what happens. That other one's lower. Right? That other one at 30, at 30 psi, say 30 psi, 7 degrees. That's why it iced. This thing's not sounding so kosher, is it?
It's never sounded different.
It's always been like that. Yeah, guys, we're going back to that job that was iced up, that Goodman unit, a couple of days later. Call the guy, he's home, so. Yesterday, I really couldn't have did it yesterday. I had other things going on, but I have time today, so he's home. I'm gonna go by there, and it's been off for 24 hours, so be able to put it on and make sure the fan's working. And so we'll give it a douche. Old system, you know, needs to be replaced. Typical shit. Yeah, so we'll put some in at 39. I mean, that's too low. That's why it's icing up. So now we're at 57.
Okay.
Subcooling at 10. Superheat's at 15, so that's better. Now this, I like to see this a little bit higher, but that's probably the way the ductwork is, so.
Okay.
But that's not going to ice up like that. Before we were 36,
Okay.
right?
That's right, and you were showing me on the thing, so.
Yeah, 36 is what? 13 degrees.
Okay.
See it?
And then the pipes, as you said,
Yeah, they would freeze up.
condenses.
So at 58, we're right around freezing there at 58. Let's see what that is. 58 is 32 degrees.
Okay.
So it won't ice up at that, but I like to see it higher, but we can't. We put any more in, this is going to start dropping.
Okay.
So we got to leave it there. That's good. That's as good as it's going to get.
Okay.
And it will work.
I'm almost out.